If you want to share Google Drive files anonymously, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead and open up your Google Drive. And let's have an example. I want to share the resume. So basically, I'm going to click under the title or next to the title on your right, Ammar's resume. You're going to see 3 dots. Go ahead and click on it. And next to the, or basically under the share, you're going to see manage access. Make sure that you allow access to anyone with a link. So go ahead and click the anyone with a link or restricted and select the first option, anyone with a link, and make sure that you allow access and copy the link, right? Make sure that you copy the link before you close or go back to your screen. And let's go back to our home screen. Go ahead to your browser. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna paste the link that you just copied, right? And you're gonna see right here, edit, erase the edit, right? And then type copy. Okay, so basically if you want to share it anonymously, right, you could just go ahead and type copy, hit go at the bottom right. Okay, and as you can see right here, if you want to share with someone, if you want to share your own file with someone, make sure that you type copy right here. Let me show it to you again. google.com/document/d/ you're gonna see this anonymous ID, and then lastly you're gonna see the edit button, right, or the copy now after I edit it. So you're gonna see right here copy at the end /copy. So make sure that you share it with the copy typed in it. So now they will see the file as it is, right? You can just go ahead and click make copy, or the other person or entity will click make a copy, and now they will have access to see the copy of the file without downloading it or anything. They can just see it and edit it if they wanted to, if you allowed access to it. So basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.